If you're considering a U.S. passport card, it's a wallet-sized, cost-effective alternative to the passport book, offering unique perks for specific travelers. Valid for 10 years, 5 for minors under 16, it costs just $30 for first-time applicants, plus a $35 acceptance fee, far cheaper than the $165 passport book. Its compact credit card size makes it easy to carry for land and sea travel to Canada, Mexico, Bermuda, and select Caribbean countries like Jamaica or the Bahamas, but not Barbados or Cuba. Perfect for frequent border crossers or cruise goers, it uses an RFID chip for faster processing at USS Canada-Mexico ready lanes. It's also Real ID compliant, doubling as a valid ID for domestic flights or federal facilities, ideal if your driver's license isn't compliant. The durable plastic card resists wear, unlike the bulkier book, and serves as proof of USS citizenship, handy for naturalized citizens avoiding costly certificate replacements, 555. However, it's useless for international air travel or destinations beyond the approved list, so global travelers need a passport book. For budget-conscious road trippers or cruisers, it's a convenient, secure choice. Do you travel mostly by land or sea?